This is a presentation about a developmental network by Emma Mackowsky. Development refers to the regulated growth resulting from interactions of a genome, cytoplasm, and environment. It is a programmed sequence of events that is usually not reversible. Development can help us get from one cell to a highly structured organism. The regulatory components of a developmental network interact with each other to govern gene expression and phenotypes of organisms. In order to demonstrate how different components of a developmental network can stimulate and inhibit each other, I have created a sample network that uses the Star Wars characters, specifically the characters from Episode 8, The Last Jedi. Each character represents a figurative gene. The figurative BB8 gene product stimulates transcription of Rey because he gives Rey the missing part of the map needed to find Luke on Octu. The Rey gene product stimulates the transcription of Luke because she restores his hope in the Force in the rebellion. The Luke gene product inhibits transcription of the Kylo gene because Luke is able to distract Kylo from attacking the Rebel fleet. If Kylo is transcribed, then the Rebel fleet will be attacked and defeated. If we put all of the individual gene products and their actions together, this gives the complete pathway shown here, ending with whether or not the Rebel fleet escapes safely. So now let's see what would happen if there was a mutation in any of these components. Let's start with a single mutant in which BB8 is removed. Kylo would end up defeating the Rebel fleet because BB8 would not stimulate Rey, leading to Rey not stimulating Luke, and Luke not inhibiting Kylo. Now let's look at another single mutant in which Luke is removed. Kylo would end up defeating the Rebel fleet because Luke would not be there to inhibit Kylo from hurting the fleet. Now let's look at a double mutant in which both Luke and Kylo are removed. Even though Luke is not there to inhibit Kylo, the Rebel fleet would still be fine because Kylo is not there in the first place. Therefore, the Rebel fleet would be safe. Lastly, let's look at another double mutant in which both BB8 and Rey are removed. Kylo would end up defeating the Rebel fleet. There would be no Rey gene product to stimulate the transcription of Luke, so Luke would not be able to inhibit Kylo. Here are the references used for making this video. Thank you for watching!